Hi, my name's Amy from RealEnglishConversations.com, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use could, should, have to, or must. The example that I like to use with my students is using laundry or clothing that we have. So we're going to pretend that I only have 3 dresses. And each day I need to have a new dress to wear so that I can go to work without smelling bad and wearing dirty clothing. So today, it's Monday, I look in my drawer and I have 3 dresses. I put one of them on and 2 of them are still in the drawer for me to use on Tuesday and Wednesday. So we're going to pretend I come home at the end of the day. The dress that I am wearing right now, for example, will be dirty. And I could wash this dress so that I have 3 dresses still. But I don't really think that that's an important thing to do. So I've decided, no, I'm not going to wash the dress. Okay? I could wash that dress, but it's not really important. At this point, it's still an option. Okay? The next day, I wake up, I open my drawer, I only have 2 dresses. I take one out, I put it on, and I'm thinking to myself, oh, when I get home tonight, I really should wash the 2 dresses that I have, so I have clean clothing for the rest of the week. Okay? But I come home, I had a bad day at work. I don't want to do laundry today. So I decide, even though I should do my laundry and wash those 2 dresses, I'm not going to do it. So you can see should is more like a strong suggestion or a recommendation to be thinking ahead, okay? Because something worse is coming, or the obligation where you don't have a choice is coming. So the last day, I open my drawer, I have 1 dress left, and I put it on. Now I have nothing left in the drawer, okay? I think to myself, when I get home tonight, I have to do my laundry, okay? We don't usually say must in this situation in American English. It's have to. And I put on my dress, I come home from work, my dress is dirty, the other 2 dresses are also dirty, and now I need to wash my laundry. So I say, I have to wash my laundry. It's no longer a choice. Unless I want to wear a stinky dress that's dirty on Thursday, I have to do my laundry tonight. So I hope that explanation is clear for you, and you don't need to use must in this circumstance. If you're practicing American English, you can use have to. It means exactly the same thing. And if you like this tip and you want more advice like this to improve your speaking and listening skills, make sure that you come to our website at RealEnglishConversations.com. You've got to join our email list or at least sign up for our free membership. We have a lot of really great lessons that are going to help you. So make sure that you come visit us at the website, and we'll see you soon.